Yo fam, just gonna do a quick recap on these two gold trades I took today. Both as per my weekly hypos, one short and one long, and this long is very close to hitting full TP actually. Um, and yeah, I can't lie, the short looks absolutely shit compared to the long, but yeah, it's 3R, so I won't complain. But yeah, my hypos for the week on gold were simply just to play this breakout pullback of this 3 day comp, which I have, or just play the rotations, which I also have done. First trade of the day was this short, very small short. It's just basically a scalp. I could have honestly held this to mean reversion. I think the POC was around here, around yearly open and daily value area low. I didn't do that. It was just really a quick scalp because we had monthly value area high here, yeah. And there's a few levels I think here, and also I was just busy, so I didn't really bother to hold it to POC really. But yeah, I just got a quick 3R, got out, got in and got out. Played out, actually took longer than I thought it would to hit TP, but regardless, it's pretty textbook, pretty clear acceptance, given the retest. Change the momentum, short it, and then, yeah, take profit at VWAP, hold to value low, whatever. So yeah, pretty clean short, happy with that one. And then onto this big long I took, beautiful long, 7R long. Very clear breakout pullback of this 3 day comp here. If I just, yeah, it's already on, sorry. If I just toggle on this, there's actually breakout pullback of this 3 day, which I was looking for. Additionally, also breakout pullback of this 1.5 day composite. And obviously you got DVA here, we're imbalanced up upon DVA, so that was perfect. Everything lined up. And I was really happy. It looked really good. I won't lie, we did have an aggressive flush here. After pushing up, we spent more than enough time and space above the composite, and then for the retest we had this. We had a flush here, and it got bought up pretty quick. I took a punted along here. There wasn't really great amount of follow through after I attempted a long, so I ended up just closing that break even, just waiting for price to further develop. And then as soon as we start to get that counter rotation going on, I took a long, put my stops just below this wick here, and I targeted this 90 day and 90 day rolling V up and single print, and that is mad timing, pretty sick. But yeah, just basically going to full TP. But yeah, just this area in general, I'm not really targeting example that's like this 90 day rolling V up as like a fixed TP, just anything in this area. So obviously we did get the single prints, and now the 90 day rolling VWAP. And yeah, it's honestly really beautiful. I think the first area of interest I was looking out for was these TPI highs. Yeah, so really just take these highs. That would have been a TP1. All this was down on the EVA today. This trade here, it took me out of drawdown. I think there's a few trades. I still need to recap them. So this took me out of drawdown. Basically put my balance at break even. Then this long here, I actually didn't take this to full TP. This was the initial idea. However, I think I fully closed around this area here because I reached the profit target. So it should be good. Just need to do the minimum profitable days, then I'll be funded basically. So pretty clean stuff. Really happy with it. Really clean price action today. Only thing I'd really critique is probably holding this short to the composite POC. I think I leaned a bit too much on DVA, but regardless, really happy. 10 off for the day, and it was beautiful.